Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on the Joey Gaming channel. So today we are back on the AnimalCraft world for another episode. I honestly don't know what episode we're on. First of all, I do apologize for the lack of videos on this series, or really the lack of videos overall. And I'm gonna try to be more consistent about my videos and my series and everything. What were we using for this cave? Oh yeah, we were gonna build like a farm in here. Okay. So I think we were gonna use the chicken to make the chickens in here. And then we have cows and pigs and all that other good stuff in there. Let's go ahead and grab some wheat because we are in desperate need of food. In this series. But I believe we're gonna transfer over the wheat to the other place, to the area over there. Let's see. Do I have a hoe? Let's see. I'm not sure if I have a hoe. Oh, I'm sorry, Alpha. Here. You know what, Alpha? There's no rotten flesh. No. I'm gonna take you with me today. Hi, Raindrop. And where's the rest of my wolves? Shirley. Where's Disco and Rainbow? Disco, you're stuck on the ladder. Where's Rainbow? Oh, I remember he disappeared a couple episodes back, actually. Where is my hoe? Oh, there it is. Oh, we have a bunch of diamonds still? And obsidian? We don't have an enchantment table? Oh, we made an enchantment table, I swear. Could have sworn we made an enchantment table. Okay, anyway, let's go ahead and move this little area. Let's get rid of all these crops. And we'll take some water out of here. See, is there water in there? I'm not sure if there's water in there already or not. Go ahead and come. Snow? That's not what I was trying to do. What the heck did I just do? Hey, Alpha. Okay, so yeah, there's water over here already. Let's go ahead and hoe this all up. And we'll place our seeds all along there. So we have our little wheat farm right here. We need to go ahead and find some chickens. Pretty sure there was like one chicken in the dog dome over here. I've actually been kind of like neglecting this place. Oh goodness, those dragons keep freaking me out with ender dragon sounds. Okay, I don't know what we're gonna do with those dragons. I'm pretty sure there was some. I hear a chicken. Oh, it's probably one of those like glitched ones. There's like, I have a mod that has like extra chickens, but my game is like can't handle all the mods, so like all the modded chickens are invisible. I hear it, but I don't see it. Where is it? I think it's on the glitch one. But we need food like right now. So we're literally about to die. Okay, let's use our wheat to make some bread, I guess. Let's go ahead and eat that. It's probably not gonna do a lot. Yeah, it doesn't do a lot. I still need some more. Where is this chicken? Are you making chicken sounds, Alpha? I just heard it lay an egg. A normal chicken. Okay. We actually just used all our wheat. Fortunately. Is it following me? I don't see it anywhere. It's getting creepy. There's something in there? Is it in there? I think there's something in there. Yeah, there's something like bobbing up and down in there. But it's glitched, so I can't see it. Ooh, Alpha, what are you doing? Okay, what, didn't you have name tags? I think you had name tags. You gave me name tags for Christmas, didn't you? Did I not name you? I thought I named you. Maybe not. Not seeing anything. Any chickens or that. Oh, where's the random XP? There's none here. I trying to figure out what we're gonna do about those dragons over there too. Because I have like that dragon mod. And these little items right here are supposed to like transform them, but it's not working. So I don't know. Oh, there's some iron. Let's grab that. Just in case we need it for any. One piece. Seriously, Minecraft? Why do you have to be so mean to me? Oh, is that all the torches I have? Really? I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's... Ooh! There's a spider. Okay. Go away. But I can kind of see it, but it's really dark at the same time. So, I don't see anything good. Let's just go back. Ooh, Alpha, I heard you roofed me. I was like, what the heck is that? There we go. Let's see. How do we get in here? Search for torchlight. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think we really need farms in this series, like, badly, because we never have any food anymore. Oh, it's getting nighttime. Let's go back to the house, and we'll go ahead and eat. I mean, not eat. We'll sleep. I don't even know what episode we're on anymore. We've done so many. I mean, I guess not a ton. We're on like 20 something, I think. Probably. I want to say 26, but I don't know the exact number. Okay. Alpha. But actually, what I was wanting to do today, I have like a fun idea that I want to do. I want to make a dog park, for all my wolves. And we actually, yeah, I think that's a fun idea. We could have like, I don't really know, obstacle course kind of thing maybe. But we definitely need more fences for that. So I think, I'm gonna speed this part up, and we're gonna go grab some wood. So I went ahead and I sped that part up where I got all the wood. So I was thinking the dog park, it should be like, I think it would be fun if it's like right here. I would like it if it's like on this hill, I think. I think that would look pretty cool. But we're gonna need to go ahead and fence a little area off, for the park. And I think this is where we're gonna have the dogs stay most of the time. I'm dying of food. Okay. What do I do? What do I do, guys? Oh my goodness. I guess I don't have any food or anything, right? Do I have iron in there? Didn't even notice. Why are you wet, Alpha? Okay, I'm going to die of hunger. And I don't have any food at all. So I don't know if there even is anything I can do about it. Or what. But yeah, I don't see anything. I don't know, I feel like I should just like throw myself off a cliff or something. Well, I guess if I'm at like half a heart and then I jump off here, I'm gonna die or something, but okay. I guess it's not a big deal if we just kill ourselves. And we just come right back up there. But we might lose some XP. That's kind of annoying. You know what? I'm gonna take all my wolves with me. To make the dog park. Disco, you're still stuck on that ladder. You're stuck on the ladder forever. Alpha. Okay, I don't know where Rainbow is. I honestly don't want to know. After what happened with Sunshine, but I don't see anything. Okay, let's grab all our items that we dropped. Got everything, I believe. Got all our fences. That's the most important thing right now, I guess. Hey guys. So we have all of our well, we're supposed to have 5, but we only have 4 at the moment. Hopefully, I think off camera I'll just try and find him. Cause it's not. I don't really want to go searching for him in the videos. It'd be kind of just boring for you guys. I don't know how we're gonna build this. How big we should build it. I don't know how big it can be with the amount of fences we have. We had almost a stack of fences, but we've already used most of it. So I feel like we can't really use a lot. I mean, I still have plenty more wood. It's just I don't have a ton. Yeah, I don't know. I think we probably need more. And I feel like, yeah, we need to make sure that, like, nothing can get, no, they can't, like, well, I guess they can't get out unless they can't get out while they're sitting, and if they're standing, then they'll just follow me, so we're gonna need to have them, like, sitting the whole time, so, I guess, I don't know, we need, like, one more fence or something. We needed one more fence. This like just happened to me in like one of my other series. Minecraft so unfair to me. Okay, let's make one more. Let's make one more batch of sticks. So we can make. Oops, we have sticks. Okay, we don't have enough, I don't think, though. Let's go ahead and craft some, and then I want to make the fenced gate. There we go. You know what, actually, we can just take that one out. Let's see, we can have the fence, like, right here. Oh, goodness. What, do you guys like the dog park? Huh? Do you? I like it. Alright. There we go. Perfect. We have a dog park. I actually... Let me go check, but I'm not sure. But if we do, I want to grab some saplings and put some, like, put trees in the dog park. But let's see. No, we should actually grab some more flowers and put them in there and make it look nice. If we have any bones, we can do the bone meal thing where you just hit it on the ground. Let's see. Why can I not go through this? Let's see. Building materials. We actually have a ton of useless items. Pets. Do we have any bones? Oh yeah, we do have some bones. Okay, nice. Yeah, let's actually go ahead and take those. Farming. Where's farming? We don't have a farming chest? What? Oh, yes, we do. Okay. So we have a bunch of saplings. Let's go ahead and plant them. I don't think we should use all of our bones for the bone meal. I think we need to save some for if we find any more wolves. So let's plant like, I don't know how many we should do. Let's see. Let's plant like, oh, sorry. I don't know who I just hit. I'm pretty sure it was Raindrop. Yes, Raindrop. I'm sorry. Okay, ooh, I placed 2 right there. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, let's get like that much bone meal. Get rid of that. Okay, yeah, we're gonna need more. I think we don't need this one, actually. Probably just put one like right here. But we do need more meal. Let's grab that much. I think that'll be good. Oh goodness, our inventory's too full. What? Okay, alright. So we have some trees. I don't think we have any flowers in our inventory, but we'll have to put some in there. Like, oops. You know what? We can just use the rest right here. No, we can just do this. Okay, no flowers. Flowers? What? Didn't grow any more flowers. Okay, let's get rid of something. Let's get rid of the sand. We can put these 2 flowers in there. And then I think, oops, no, what was I trying to do? And then I think we can finish the video off there, because, ooh, oh my gosh, that was a close one. I did not want that to blow up. That would have been real bad. Okay, don't want that to blow up, because then it will destroy all our fences. Ooh, we need torches. So mobs don't spawn inside of here. Go, hurry before it blows up. Okay, we need torches. We need to go get coal from our furnaces real quick. Oops. Not me yet. Let's actually sleep first. Let's sleep really quickly.
You may not rest now. There are monsters nearby. You may not rest now. There are monsters nearby.
What do you mean?
You may not rest now. There are monsters nearby.
That was creepy. I sound like a complete unison with the series. I don't know what to do. My inventory's full. Okay, do we have any more sticks? Yes. Let's craft 8 torches. That's perfect, actually. Okay, why can't I sleep? Oh my goodness, why does my hunger bar go down so fast?
You may not rest now. There are monsters nearby.
But I think we're gonna have to finish the video off here, guys. It's been going for actually quite a while. But, yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this episode of AnimalCraft. There's a skeleton inside of our dog park. And yes, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in another video. Like, subscribe, and watch more.